members, one and all of the Salivation Nation, with a late night unboxing. Yes, indeed. I'm going to see how many people actually are notified of this video or see it at this witching hour, the hour of the night. That's right. When you see this video, it'll be very, very late at night, unless you are in Europe or some other part of the world. Then it will be in the daytime. That's right. And we're going to see what's inside of here. Nothing special, nothing huge, but it is a new U.S. Mint product and just released. And I ordered it before the end of the year to take advantage of the shipping perks that you get if you make 3 or more qualified purchases. You get to get it in there, and that's what we did here. So that's what we've got. United States Mint. The American Innovation Series. Reverse proof, and this is the Maryland coin that shows the Hubble Space Telescope on the American Innovation dollars, which I think is actually a pretty neat idea that the Mint has done. It's not a very popular program, at least to my recollection. There's not been a lot of buzz about this, but I think some of the designs have been actually pretty good. I mean, there's some of them that I could do without, but there's others of them I think are great. One of the things about this program, which I think is pretty cool, is that most of them don't have people on them. And I like the idea of showing the actual innovation as opposed to showing people on coins. So here, but the reverse proof of these things are pretty neat to an extent with the packaging. And here you can see that it is reverse proof and a very nice look of the Statue of Liberty, though I think in many ways it has too much blank space on it, but that is kind of the point of that. But moving ahead, we have the Hubble telescope here. It's kind of hard to see, but there you see the coin specifications. As is the case with any of these dollar coins, they're going to have 6% zinc, 3.5% manganese, 2% nickel, and the rest of it is copper. So mostly a copper coin, but as you can see, I think they call this manganese bronze, essentially. But fascinating indeed. It's 8.1 grams and just over an inch in diameter. Lettered edge, San Francisco Mint for these reverse. And then this has the Hubble Space Telescope orbiting the Earth, surrounded by a field of stars. And so it's pretty cool. Let's see here what we've got. Looking at the packaging is really neat, and because of the limitations of the coin, it's very difficult to see to get a close-up look of this thing because the cardboard stuff is in the way. Let me see if I can fold this back so you can get a closer look here. There we go. Very, very nice. The Hubble Space Telescope, United States of America, Maryland. I can't take it out of the packaging without actually removing it from the capsule, so I'm going to leave it in there. But I think it's a pretty neat looking coin, having it above the earth like that. And wonderfully done, I think. And looks pretty neat in reverse proof, I would venture to say here. And they have done a pretty good job with that. It kind of looks like just a canister, and the lid is off the canister there. But that's actually, looks like a part of the module. I'm not sure exactly what that is coming off of there. If that's a mirror or something like that for the telescope itself. But I like the lettering on there. It has the kind of the NASA lettering, which is pretty cool, I think. Do you think? Let me know in the comments. Put the word think in the comment section below to see if you're paying attention this late at night for the United States of America Hubble Space Telescope Maryland coin. Very, very good. Very good. Now we're going to compare this to the proof version. See what we can look at and see what it looks like compared to the proof version. And I'll let you know which I like better. There's the proof version. There's a reverse proof version. You know, one thing about the United States Mint and the reverse proof coins, the frosting on the fields is not quite as thick, I've noticed, providing less of a contrast than as would be the case if it were proof. Look at there. That's a lot more contrast. So that means that my vote is for the proof coin. I like the proof coin better. There's a reverse proof and there's the proof. Both love the coins, but I'm glad to have it. This is one of those sets that I am, or coins or programs where I'm just collecting the ones that I like. But I probably will get the proof sets for every year because they're cheap enough. And see this South Carolina coin. I won't get the reverse proof of this one. I like it. The design is actually really good, but I just don't see how that's an innovation. American innovation. I guess it's talking about education, whatever, in the South or whatever. But I mean, good grief, it's education. These are human beings, and I don't know what's innovative about it. But anyways, telephone is very innovative. The Gerber variable scale is innovative. The Hubble telescope is very innovative, but educating minorities, well, you educate them the way you would majorities, too. We're all people. We're all the same, so I kind of don't get this one. Although the design is very nice. It's a good, they really captured the figures well, but this whole thing is about innovation. This is about the Hubble Space Telescope. Very, very nice coin. And there it is in reverse proof. Not quite as impressive, but glad to have it and to add to the collection here. So there you go. There you go. Let's see here. And you may have seen, I think I showed very briefly the other coin in this series. Let me get it. It's over here somewhere. I'm going to get it if I can find it. Yes. There's that coin. And then you have the reverse proof of the telephone. I showed this in a prior video, but I'm going to show it here again too. Because I think this looks pretty cool in reverse proof as well. For a lot of the same reasons. But I think I like that one better in the proof more than a reverse proof, but it's neat to have it in a reverse proof. And these are limited mintage, if I'm not mistaken. Let me pull this back out and put that back in. Put this back into play. I'm going to look here and see. It doesn't say what the mintage is on this thing, but I think it's on the website, and I think they are limited for these reverse proofs, which means there's potential that some of these may actually, in due course, be collectible. In other words, have a numismatic collectible value, collector value to it. But that really is hit or miss, and that's not why I collect them, just so you understand. It's also something that allows me to not be allergic to the Hubble Space Telescope, which I think is fascinating, to not be allergic to the Space Telescope, because if I was, it would cause me to sneeze. But there it is. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you didn't, I trust that you'll probably thumb it down. It is late at night. At least it will be when you see this video. And we're still here. That's why it's just a casual video about not precious metals. That's right. We're not looking at any precious metal here. This is all base metallic stuff. And there's nothing wrong with base metals. You know what I mean? This is the Salivate Metal channel. You know what I'm saying? If you are new here, I hope you will subscribe. And I hope that you will put a thumb on the like button on this video. That would be handy dandy, I think. And I hope you enjoyed it. Post a comment below. Remember the word think. That's right. Do you think it? You thunk it. All right, very good. Post that in there. Multitude of gratitude. I want to appreciate everybody being here. Multitude of gratitude to you all. And encourage you to please rate, share this video on Reddit. Share it on Instagram. You can't do it on Parler, I don't think, at this point. But anywhere else you can think of to share it, well, be my guest. Comment, and after all of that, subscribe.